Well, man, this is gonna be some sort of day. This here is how they're supposed to look, and this, that is not how that is supposed to look. You got a broken rim, spoke cannot be fixed. I'll probably need a new rim, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to just finish this trip, because I do not want to try and figure that out at a bike shop or something, because today I have to go 130k, and the bike, I'm here and I just got to go here, but the bike shop I could go to is down here, 15k, and then be back up 15, so I would be doing 160k today, and I'm just not gonna do that. So we're gonna jimmy rig it as best we can and just hope for the best, because it's gonna be a long day. We got a bunch of climbing over the Appalachian Mountains into Vermont, and let's just hope that that thing stays rideable. So off we go. Can fix anything. Electrical tape and bubble gum. Fill her up and we'll tape her shut. Call me Jimmy, because this thing is rigged. Good gracious, man. It's a little bit more solid, but oh gosh. Look at this rig. Gum in there. All these spokes are loose, man. It's just... wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. Just leaving here. Gray skies. Kind of overcast day. Doesn't seem too windy, but you never know when you get out there. On the biking route, it says 144k. The route that the cars take, it's like 130, so I'm hoping I can ride that. If not, it's gonna be a long day regardless, but we got those hills at the end right up in the mountains, so that's gonna be a tough go. The most climb I've had since before Denver, so I just hope this wheel will hold up, but only one way to find out, and that's to get going. So here we go. Haven't seen one of these signs in a long time. Man, I have never been happier to see the end of a state and the start of a new one. Peace out, New York. I am done with that nonsense. On to Vermont. Halfway on the day here, around 65k. Man, it's been a lot of climbing, and I haven't even hit like the hill yet, the big climb. So I think for the next like 40k, it's like all uphill, and then it goes down for like 20k going into where I'm heading tonight. But oh, it's just so hard to pedal, especially with that back tire, because it wobbles and you don't get the same force when you push it into the ground. Oh, just brutal this last bit, man. I just want to get there. Not quite the ski hills we had in Colorado, but high enough up to be a ski hill. Oh man, I was going down that hill 8% and my front brake gave out. Don't have a back brake. Oh man, I hit like 60 something K, no way to stop. That was just spooky. I'm gonna have to take a look and see what happened, but my gosh. That was some sort of feeling. Just full commit, the back tires just wagging back and forth. Just, oh, it'll be a miracle if I make it to Maine alive. The disc brake, it got covered in, I don't know, grease or something, so I had to wipe it all off and wipe inside the pads, because when it was squeezing, it was so greasy, it was just slipping through. So I got that fixed, but still got 30 more K to go, and it's getting dark, so it's time to get lit. Well, that's a good sign. There's no mountains taller than us as far as I can see. We must be at the top. Oh, we made it, man. Brattleboro. 130K, and today was the toughest terrain I've had since before Denver. It was the most climbing I had. Just pretty brutal, and it was, I'll show you what I mean with the tire here. So this is what it's like all day. See how it wobbles like that? It's just not supposed to do that. So there's the spokes. Tried to hold them together, but they're still shockingly loose. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't think it'll last next 200 and something K, so I'll have to figure it out. But man, today was pretty tough. But close to Maine, might be able to push it if I can do it in 2 days, 2 big days, or it'll be 3 days away. So whatever it'll be, I can't wait to get there because I'm just sick of riding, to be quite frank. But I'm gonna eat and shower and do the video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we can make up some ground. So talking to you. Bye now. Keep her not so bad.